We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.